Hey folks, JD here, and I think I've got this one wrong. Now you know me, if I get something wrong, if I do something incorrectly, then I will come back and I will revisit the quad and try to do it correctly. Now when we saw this, we saw 3 videos: the unboxing, the flight test, and then we saw a video on its own of me trying to use the obstacle avoidance outdoors. Now I tried using the standard one toggle on, toggle off response. That didn't work. I've since given it a try indoors, and what I've done is I've actually clicked and hold. Now a few of you have mentioned that in the comments, a few of you have said try this, try that, see if you can get it to work. So what I thought I would do today is have a quick little flight around here using the transmitter, seeing exactly how far we get. Now I've tried to throw in the quad, that doesn't work. I've tried a few things. One thing I'm going to try now is just quite simply using the toggle button and trying to see if I get anywhere. Now what I've got to do first, as you remember, is push down, then I have the ability to fly up. So what I'm going to do is click and hold the sensing button here, and then pilot it backwards towards my hand, right? So I'm going to click and hold, beeps once. Now if I come towards it, it moves away. See, let me show you that again. So click and hold, I have got the sensing on. Move towards it, it moves away. I had the quadcopter totally pegged incorrectly. Come to the side, it moves away. Obviously I moved it back there. Let me see. Try it again, watch. See? It does work. It is not a gimmick. I was wrong the first time, and it works. It actually works on a 25 quid quad. Watch. See? Ooh, this way. Ooh. Ooh. Down a bit. There you go. Ooh. I'm too close to that sensor underneath. See? A 25 quid quad has managed, using these infrared modules on the side, it has managed to be an obstacle avoidance quad. Now what happens if I fly it towards a wall? Let's use this wall here. If I fly it towards the wall, what am I going to get? It moves away. And again, be gentle, it moves away. And again, it moves away. Oh my god, no way. If I push it back, ooh, but it didn't crash, it didn't destroy itself. So once again, if I move it back a bit, ooh, it's sensing, because I've got a lot of stuff there, it's sensing where this should be. So let's do it again. Let's push it. It's going to get it there, and then it's going to come out. Now it is a toggle on and off switch, but it's a push and hold toggle on and off switch. And then once you toggle it on, it works. And then once you push and hold, you untoggle it, this LED stops flashing. Now it won't work. See? It does not work. So click and hold, toggles. Once it's on, this LED starts flashing. Then you can start using your Jedi mind powers and pushing it. Ooh, like that. And again, push it. This is now my new favourite mini quad. Ooh, get a bit too carried away there. You could, as long as you had the transmitter in your hand for safety, you could fly it just by using your hands. See, just to show you I'm not doing anything. Ooh, that was a bit weird. Oh, this little beauty. I had this guy pegged all wrong. Now, LED is flashing, battery is low. Towards the TV, my friend. Well, it bounced off. That's fine. Lovely little quad that does exactly what it says it can. Right, let's land it. There we go. Beautiful. This little quad cost 25 quid, comes with 2 batteries, transmitter and the quadcopter, and it works. It actually works. I cannot believe that, but it's thanks to all of you for seeing it and going, JD, try this, because I would have written this off. Now, I read the manual, I did exactly what I said in the manual, and it didn't work. Either because that's my understanding of the manual, something wasn't right. But retested, it does work. So my final verdict of this, which I'm going to put this URL in the other videos as well, so that if you are watching any of the other videos, you'll get directed to here to see the actual verdict of this particular quad. It's a winner, folks. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening, my friends. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.